Hey YouTube, this is Retta for part 3. I realized something. It will help you guys. I was trying to, what did I do to this? I'm rough on brushes. I realized sometimes when I started up here, I was going down. And now I've realized that with the flower, you start from this way up. Even if you're doing here, start from in up. So don't start from this way down like I did on some of them, or even the lines. I was going like this. If you have to, I have this little one which I got from the dollar thing. Start here and make the lines that way. So that's would make the flowers more realistic, I realize. So, but this is too late to kind of start. I've already did it the other way, but I'm gonna try it that way in the future, and hopefully my flowers will come out better. My poor, don't mind the voices in the background. I'm watching Big Brother live feeds, and there was some drama going on. And I just finished watching it. So, alright, so now I'm gonna go back and try to get this a little bit more. Let me see. I think I used all the colors in here. And then, well, let me put this Bordeaux up here because this is my darker color I'm going to use. Okay. So, okay, it's still got pink in it. Okay, and then this one I still have to make some colors. So I had this opera pink. Okay, and I had this color. Here I'm gonna okay, and now I'm going to use this color. Oh, I think that is actually kind of darker than that. I might have to put a little bit of that in here. Alright, it's still a little darker. I might have to brighten it. Whoops. So, sorry about that. I was just trying to mix up. So this color, I have some Payne's Gray, some Opera, some Rose Permanent. This one, I have some Bordeaux, and then I mixed a little bit of that in there. Because this is supposed to be the darkest color. So I need a little tiny thing. Okay, and now let's see what I have. I have messed up a lot going on here. So let's see if I can kind of fix this. Whoops. And whoops, I don't want that color. I want this color. Ooh, that color is not that dark. What is going on? I might have put too much water in there. Okay. So, let's see, what else can I do? So, whoops, I didn't mean to do that. Because if you do it this way, it looks like you're going the same direction as the leaf. So I wish I would have learned that or figured that out earlier. Whoops, I'm still thinking that this is still too big. Whoops. Oh, yeah, so that's what took me so long of getting back. Is because I was too busy watching Big Brother. I apologize for that. It was really good. It was really good. So, I kind of... Oh, shoot. Kind of messed up that. Why do I have this up there? So, hold on. This is more than this color should be right here. Sorry about that. I got distracted. So this color, I don't know what I just did here. Lord, I don't think that this was a good idea here. I don't know what I did. That was like a line going up. And I don't think it should have been. Oh, I don't think I did a good job there. You can see where my patience is kind of wearing out right here. Let me see if I can get this and kind of get this color off. Whoops. Right here and try to scrub this color out. I don't know what I was doing here. But there we go. Okay, I'm going to take that color off. I wish I should wait till that dries and then take this pencil mark out, because that pencil, what I drew there to kind of give me lines, kind of messed me up. So sometimes they do just kind of mess you up here. No, this should all be dark right here. See, this is not dark enough. That isn't dark enough. I don't know what I did there. And then this is... No, I didn't make my next batch dark enough. Can you see me? So now that I figured it out, kind of, sort of, this is a whole nother leaf right here. I mean, whole nother petal. See how big, thick that is? See, I'm supposed to use a thinner thingamajig, but and like this is not so perfect. So, gosh, yeah, like this leaf, I didn't do it so perfect. Here is this. So, you want to go up here and then go like that. Up and over and there. So, kind of suck some of that away. I really need some smaller brushes. I'm gonna when I get some extra money, I'll end up getting her brushes, because I don't think I had any smaller. I thought these were like the smallest brushes, but because she uses even smaller. Anna Mason does, and I think like these are my smallest like freaking brushes. I think these are my smallest brushes. Well, here is one, but this one's not so small either. So let's just see. Okay. I know. My big brother thing. So, how's it looking so far? Not that great, is it? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm trying, people. I'm trying. So, in here is... Whoops. In here is another... So, you want to kind of mix that in there. And you want to kind of... See, what I wasn't thinking about was the brush strokes. Hopefully, I feel one day I get better. Oh, my son's calling me. I'll call you back.